How's it going? Welcome back to the show. This is Yume Roscoe, and I am he. And today we're going to be doing a reaction to a spliced together visual duet, uh, virtual duet, excuse me. This one is Gabriel Henrique and Mariah Carey with Fly Like a Bird, a song that Mariah Carey has made famous, legendary. I love this song, but no, we're gonna be checking this out. Before we do that, I do want to ask for anybody who hasn't that they please subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell. Also, make sure that you go over to both Gabriel's homepage and Mariah's homepage and do the same thing because we do want to support the artists. And we're gonna go ahead and get this started. So let's do that.
Weeping may endure for a night, but joy comes in the morning. Trust him.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. We know my heart is dwelling, free of all trust or cheat and suffering, because I feel that unconditional love from one who cares enough for me. True it is in my birthday, let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high. Don't let the world wake me tonight. I need you, stranger, you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Let me stop this. And Gabriel is doing an excellent job of keeping pace with legendary, Mariah Carey. Like he's more than holding his own. He's doing a beautiful job. Of course, Mariah, she's killing it. But yeah, no, they sound beautiful together. They get it. But let's keep this thing.
By my side, sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
He said he'll never forsake you, nor leave you alone. Trust him.
I need you right now, right now. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. Wake up, love, you're so fine.
Fire finna jump in there now. This song is just so uplifting. Let me push this back, but oh my God, Mariah and the Bangs, they are freaking dude. Jeez, I have to like throw the blinders on like a horse, just to stay focused, But no, they like it. The both of these voices are like weaving into each other, which means that Gabriel is doing excellent job because they're just weaving into each other. It's very seamless. It's beautiful. It's what is the word that it's euphoric. That's the word that I want to use. But let's keep it going. I'm sorry, I have to stop it. I'm gonna push it back. But I just needed to say that this is when the song gets special. Like, oh my God. Like when you throw these voices in a choir behind, you can take over. You can't stop it. Let's go. this is one of the most melodic songs I ever heard in my life. Like just to hear these voices, the way the combination of these voices is like this is like a melody overdose or something. This is crazy, dude. Like oh my god. Here, let me push this back. All right. This will be the last time I stop it. So let's continue. I had to scream for that one. Yeah, let's stop that. Let's stop that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And sensory overload is the word that I really was looking for when I was last stopped it. But let's push it back. And I like that shot. That shot is because this is them just like shooting for the stars right here. You know, this is one of those pictures right here when you can be hit like no, of course you don't hear nothing. I don't hear nothing like, but you can hear, you know. But this was Gabriel Henrique and Mariah Carey with "Fly Like a Bird," and I want you to take like two guesses at how many thumbs. Like take two guesses at how many thumbs this made, you know. But before we even get there, this was an amazing and dazzling um, show right here of like vocal vocal gymnastics at its at its highest peak. You know, like they just the way that they just so fluidly can bounce in between like these different sounds and stuff, different ranges. Uh, it's beyond me. You know, it's really beyond me because I can't sing. You know, so this is you know, ergo the sensory overload because this is like the heavens are singing. Like this is so angelic, you know. So and yeah, no, I'm just get really when I'm in a zone and really locked into like listening to this song for real. Like this really kind of pulls like emotion and all that stuff. Like it goes to like a really deep place, and it's mainly because of the voices. The voices just take you somewhere. You know, it's they so huge and large and sound so beautiful. It's a lot. It's really a lot. And I meant everything I said about like the sensory overload thing, like in a great way, you know. But that's what happens with this song, you know. When you get to, you know, when it's just Mariah and the choir, you know, it's way too much, you know. But then you throw Gabriel in there, it's just like like, why are you doing this to me? You know, like I can't take this. You know, that's a heart attack waiting to happen. You know, because it's too much. It's like Fred Sanford, take me now, Elizabeth. You know, but yeah, no, two thumbs up, like I promised. Um, they did this. This is an incredible song by two incredible voices. Well, two plus the choir, you know. So we don't want to exclude them, but amazing stuff, amazing stuff. Um, I'm gonna leave, but before I do, like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit the share button, hit the playlist options or option, excuse me. Well, options. Yeah, no, I'm tripping because that was totally correct. Because I do have a Mariah Carey playlist, so um, you can go there. Mariah Carey reactions, Gabriel Henrique reactions. I do have playlists for both of them, so you'll see this and anything that I've reacted to or will react to in the future that features either or. I have playlists for other artists, a lot of great music by those other artists, a lot of different genres of music. So when you get the chance, check that stuff out and the stuff that's not music related. Cash App, dollar sign, you made Roscoe, PayPal at you made Roscoe. Super thanks option is available for those who like to show their support or appreciation for what's being done on the page. Any donations will be made to any of those spots. And that's it. I'm done. I will see you again soon. So until next time, be safe and be good.